Hello, I am Omar Ojarov. I am from Lithuania. I came here for International Internship Program 2023. So I can say that I enjoy too much here, like especially the friends environment, about the varsity, smart city experience here. What I had, it was too enjoyable. Even so, I gained a lot of experience here. With the work experience, I improved myself. I learned a lot with a new culture, different cultures. So my working environment was so nice. I enjoyed working over there and I learned a lot. I improved my skills. So when I entered to the international affairs, it's a different world already. You cannot say the home office in the Bangladesh or the regular university is all different worlds. I would like to say that. So they have their own system and which is so flexible and so nice. I get impressed. And I'm always a local food person, so I enjoy too much, I can say that. Dulce and Malaiche is my favorite because I know that the milk tea is always was my favorite, so when I see it's something local, which I love and favorite, I was enjoying almost every day. And I would like to add that about vast opportunities, vast facilities, it was too much, even I couldn't finish that by counting. So they have a lot of opportunities about improving themselves, like self-development and academically. For example, there was a swimming pool that was swimming and I had experience and I enjoyed it. So there is a gym that I love to keep my body fit, so it was really nice to have experience here and it's so good. By joining an International Internship Program, I improved myself a lot and I learned so much. So I would like to suggest you to keep going on this because it's a great program which the International Affairs of Daffodil International University is organized. I would like to say thank you so much for the Daffodil International University and International Affairs, especially for the side right hand that all the helps, all the supports till today, all the understanding is and reacting so positively as a so positive person that it wasn't allowed to me. Yeah, I would like to support it and I would like to suggest even to the other students too to come and have this great opportunity. It's once a lifetime experience.